In this video, we will discuss how the unified namespace enables a seamless flow of data from edge to cloud. Edge devices and systems on the shop floor generate a steady stream of data that includes machine performance metrics, temperature readings, production counts, etc. Now, this data often goes underutilized due to fragmentation and data siloing, because this data originates from systems that were never designed to exchange information with each other. So a unified namespace allows unified access to this data from the edge to the cloud. It does this by describing an information model that represents the hierarchy of your organization from the edge to the cloud, and then mapping data from all these operational systems on the edge and also your operational systems at the cloud to this information model to provide this seamless and unified access from the edge to the cloud. But first, before you can map data from these systems into your information model, you need to de-silo the data. And that process involves using an edge gateway that converts from all these various protocols into one common standard, typically MQTT. And then from there, you convert that data into a structured payload and then map it into your information model at a level where it makes sense for that data to live. This allows seamless data access of all your data across your entire enterprise using that one common endpoint that contains your organization's semantic hierarchy. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this.